Well, guys, welcome to Wheel Life Cycling. Today, locally in the area, we have what they call the 508, Silver State 508. And a buddy just called me and he said that he saw a group of riders going through the area and he's wondering if I know anything about it. Yeah, 508, 500 miles. It's a 500-mile bicycle ride as fast as you can go in a day, non-stop. Anyway, that's what's going on over here. Looks like we're gonna get some rain. Still smoky out there. It's pretty ugly, but I'm in here in the garage working on the Eddie Merckx. So I found out some interesting things regarding the bike. Notably, one of the first and foremost thing is this FSA expander plug. This expander plug is a carbon fiber outer shell with, well, I guess I can show you. Hold on, let me get a nut driver here, and well, yeah, let's see if I'll take it off and explain to you guys what happened, what I found. Pretty amazing the quality of work that is out there that people do. Let me get the camera over here. And the manufacturing, so when this first came out 20 years ago, let's see if I can jack this up a bit so you guys can see this. Let me take it out and explain to you what I noticed. And why I noticed things didn't seem as tight as they could have been. So I ordered a new expander bolt, and okay. This is the top bolt plug. It's a carbon fiber outer shell, and they have it in an aluminum threaded insert. And so what happens is, as this is pulling this down, the insert pulled out of the cap, thus not securing the cap and pulling everything together. So I put a high-end super glue on this and overnight, and it is super glued together and it is back to where it should be. Now when I screw this down, it stops and the insert is not pulling out like in the previous past. Now there wasn't a real big chance of me getting injured. Okay, now I can tighten it down and it holds. And it's not pulling that insert out of the cap. So I wasn't in any danger because the horizontal bolts that hold this on actually compress against the tube. So there you have it. That was quite interesting to find. It just shows you that the company, when they first came out with this, they didn't know what they were doing correctly, because that should have been all made of one piece of molded carbon with a side raised piece, so that when it's molded into carbon, it's not going to turn. Well, anyways, I fixed it and we're good to go. So, with that being said, I'm here to show you, like I promised yesterday, the old school way of washing the chain. So here I have a Park Tool washer. It's a handheld brushes and washers, and I put inside of this degreaser, and quite simply you put it over the chain. You put the chain in it, I mean, and then the brush and everything inside, and you close the cap like so with these little locks. And now then you hold it and you go ahead and run the chain through it, and it actually cleans the chain. And I don't know why it's not doing it, because it normally always works. What the heck? Oh, there we go. Oh. I think I got, oh, I see why. The sponge pulled out. So this goes at the top, and one goes at the bottom, and it cleans the chain. I made it like that, so I can scrub the chain really well. And sometimes it works, and sometimes it doesn't, I guess. Huh. Why it's not working is beyond me. Okay, here we go. Try it again. It really works easy, really good. And as you can see, it gets within, it gets inside the chain and outside and leaves the dirt. So that's how the chain is cleaned. And right now I'm going to go ahead and take it outside, and I'm going to hand wash the sprocket and the rear cassette, and I will come back, guys. So we'll see in a little bit. Yeah, this Park Tool is really good. I like it a lot. And the brushes inside have rollers, and it actually gets within the chain. So long as you have good, I have industrial degreaser right here. It's citrus, natural citrus solvents. Cuts grease and grind power by natural citrus. It's pretty nice. Professional strength. And but I need to brush more of the derailleur, and I don't have a bucket in here, so I'm gonna go outside with the hose and do it out front. So I'll get back to you guys in a little bit. Thanks for watching.